There is a distinct elegance in a space where technology blends effortlessly with design, rather than dominating it. It's about creating an environment where every element serves a purpose beyond mere functionality, contributing to a harmonious visual experience that feels inherently satisfying. And for those who appreciate the concept of the framed television, the pursuit of genuine artistry often comes down to the details. Because while the screen is brilliant, a truly impactful presentation often requires more than just a digital canvas. Many alternatives offer a mere illusion of a frame, often feeling insubstantial, prone to misalignment, or simply failing to live up to the promise of integrated design, leaving your space feeling less than complete. This frame, however, elevates the entire experience, transforming your display into a quality framed piece of art, which means this is not a generic attachment. It is an integrated aesthetic solution, crafted exclusively to precisely complement your specific Samsung The Frame TV. And because it features secure locking corner keys, installation is not a struggle with flimsy clips or ill-fitting edges. It's a precise, firm fit that delivers a truly sleek and modern look, effortlessly transforming your display. And crucially, this design maintains seamless compatibility with your Samsung Frame TV remotes. Just switch to Bluetooth for optimal performance, which means your user experience remains intuitive and uninterrupted. The thoughtful engineering also accounts for sensor performance, requiring a simple adjustment in your TV's art mode settings to prevent any interference, reinforcing its role as a dedicated, high-quality solution that functions beautifully when wall-mounted, completing the artistic illusion. Ultimately, this is about achieving that perfect balance where your technology transcends its utility and becomes an integral part of your home's refined aesthetic. It quietly reminds you that true design is about thoughtful integration and enduring quality. I put the link below so you can check the current price.